Ladies and gentlemen, electricity in the home is like a bloodstream silently nourishing our comfort while requiring understanding to remain safe. Join me as we explore 10 small secrets to mastering this energy, helping your home stay bright, efficient, and peaceful every day. 81. Testing for electrical leaks in refrigerators. If you suspect an appliance is leaking electricity, touch a voltage tester pen to the metal casing. If the light glows, it's leaking. Installing a proper grounding wire is the ultimate safety shield for your family. 82. Cleaning bulbs for maximum brightness. Once bulbs have cooled completely, use a dry cloth to wipe away the dust buildup. Even thin dust can block 20% of light. Cleaning them brightens your home without costing a single cent more in electricity. 83. The proper way to unplug. Never pull the cord itself. Always grip the firm body of the plug when removing it from the socket. Pulling the cord causes internal breakage, a leading cause of short circuits and silent electrical fires. 84. The temperature touch test. After turning off high-power devices like irons, lightly feel the surface of the outlet or plug. If it feels hot, it's a sign of overload. Check connections to prevent melting plastic and potential fire hazards. 85. Organizing cables with paper rolls. Coil cords neatly and tuck them inside empty toilet paper rolls, labeling the outside of each. This prevents sharp bends in the wires, keeping your drawers organized and extending the lifespan of the insulation. 86. Labeling plugs with tape. At crowded power strips, apply a small piece of colored tape near the plug to identify the device. Visual classification allows for quick handling and prevents sudden power cuts that can damage sensitive electronics. 87. Reinforcing cables with pen springs. Wrap a spring from an old ballpoint pen around the end of the cable near the plug. The spring acts as a flexible structural frame, allowing the cable to curve naturally without reaching a breaking point. 88. Protecting electronics from power surges. Unplug modems, computers, and TVs during heavy storms or immediately after a power failure. Sudden voltage spikes when power returns are silent killers of circuit boards. Physical disconnection is the most absolute protection. 89. Optimizing LED heat dissipation. Avoid installing LED bulbs in tightly enclosed recessed spaces to ensure they remain ventilated. Heat is the enemy of electronics. A well-ventilated space helps LED bulbs last longer and maintain stable brightness for years. 90. The monthly ELCB test button. Once a month, press the small T or test button on your safety breaker. If it trips immediately, it's working. Don't wait for a real accident to find out if your protection system is active. Electricity brings light and warmth, but it requires our understanding. Hopefully, these 10 tips will give you more confidence. Keeping every corner safe and full of joy. Thank you for your continued support.